Hi everyone, so this is the second video for chapter 5 heat for class 7 physics for St. Thomas School, Ranchi. So under this video we are going to see the topic how the heat is going to transmit. So heat is going to transmit by three processes: conduction, convection and radiation. So in a case of conduction, the process of transmission of heat energy in solid without the actual movement of particles from their position, and this process is called as conduction. So means that in a case of conduction, the particle does not move from its position to transfer its heat energy from one part of the material to other part of the material, and this conduction process only occurs for the solid material, not for the liquid and gas. And here you can see an example with the help of iron rod, which is going to get the heat energy at its front part, and then heat is going to get transferred from this front part to the portion where a person is going to hold it after some time. So what do we observe in this example, that the particle which is present here in this front part, it is not going to transfer from here to the portion where a person is going to hold his hand. So what happens that actually the particle is going to transfer heat energy from one particle to other particle, and the heat energy is going to transfer, and this process is called as conduction. So next we are going to see what is convection. So convection is a process of transmission of heat which is going to take place for liquid and gas, not for the solid material. So to understand this process, here a good example is given in a diagram. So we can see here that in one tumbler, water is getting boiled. So how the water is going to get boiled? What happens initially when the heat energy is given, the water which is going to present at the base of a tumbler, this water is going to get heated, and when this water is going to get heated, it is going to rise up, and then the space which is going to become empty here, it is going to filled by the cold water. So cold water is going to come down to fill the space, and then again this cold water is going to get heated at the base, and again it is going to rise up. So this means that in this process what happens, that initially the water becomes hot, it moves up, and then cold water comes down, again it becomes hot, and again it is going to move up, and by this the whole liquid is going to get the heat energy, and this process is called as convection. So here, as the definition is given for the convection, the process of transmission of heat energy in liquid and gas in which particles of a medium actually move to the source of heat energy to absorb heat energy. So this means that what do we observe here, that so here the particle of this water is going to come down to get the heat energy, and then it absorbs the heat energy, and then it moves up. Then again the cold water comes down, absorb the heat energy, and again it moves up, and then move away from it, thereby making space for the other particle to move to the source of heat energy, and this process is called as convection. So next we are going to see application of convection as ventilation. So here ventilation is a process by which impure and warm air inside a room is continuously replaced by fresh air from outside, and this process is called as ventilation. So here an example of ventilation is given in a diagram, that warm air is going to rise up, and the cold air from the window is going to come in, and this is how the ventilation is going to occur. Next we are going to see what is radiation. So radiation is a process of transference of heat energy directly from a hot body to a cold body without hitting the space in between the two bodies, and it is called radiation. So example can be very well understood by this, that here the flame which is going to occur is produced, and we can feel the hotness of this flame from some part away from it. In this process, what is going to happen, that a body means that here this hand is going to receive the heat energy of this flame without hitting the space in between, and this process is called as radiation. Thank you.